so bad. What's up, y'all? I hope you're all doing well. My name is DeMarcus. Welcome back to the page, the channel, whatever you want to call it. So first off, I want to say my fault. It's been like 2 months since I made a video, and I'll get into that at the end of the video. But for now, we got pickups. Okay, so for this video, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been wearing since the summer has started. And I'm also gonna get into a couple of the pickups that I got for you guys right here. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So for this summer, I mainly wore 3 types of outfits: a lounge fit, a chill fit, and actual summer outfits. So this first outfit, a lounge fit, it's kind of like something that I just throw on. I'm really not trying to go nowhere, trying to stay in the crib. I have this vintage sweater. I think the front graphic is kind of cool. For my bottoms, I'm wearing these cargo pants that I actually got from my friends at Lavish. They run a vintage shop. I have both a brown and a black pair. So big shout out to Lavish. And on the feet, I just threw on some shell toes. Like I said, it's just something that I can kind of like lounge around in. AC on like 65, 66. Cold as fuck. And next up, I have this bleach stained gray Champion sweater that I believe I showed you guys in the past, and the black cargos that I just talked about with my Suey coats. Okay, so next up, I have what I said was the chill fit. Now this would be like the ideal summer fit. Just a t-shirt, a good pair of shorts, good feets. For this summer, I went like a good pair of nylon shorts, and I actually found these 2 on Grailed. I low-key paid for these. I could have got away. Yeah, I paid for these. For real. But I mean, hey, it was worth it. I'm not really tripping. So for this first fit, I have on this vintage Prague tee that I'm pretty sure I showed you guys in the past. This first short is actually some cargo shorts by Kody Phillips. There's buku pockets. This big pocket right here. This little clip. I like the detailing on the drawstrings. These 2 little metal things right here. Next up, wearing this vintage Einstein tee that I'm pretty sure I showed you guys. These summer shorts by Jacob. I think came out in like 2016 or maybe 2017. It's a shirt by Jacob and Jacob Keller. I really like how long the drawstrings are. Not Rick. Wish I can afford Rick, but we can't afford Rick right now. And on the feet, I have these Air Max that I'm always wearing. My 95s. Can't go wrong with them. I don't have a lot of shoes that are in rotation. Really, for the summer, I'm just wearing these sandals, my running shoes, my Vans. I don't really have like a good pair of shoes in rotation, but we working on that for the fall though. Now another like summer chill fit that I kind of want to wear would be like an open button down shirt and a muscle tee and like a good pair of shorts. Preferably this tee right here is this Pleasures tee that I got for my birthday. Shout out to my girlfriend. I got this in a large, and I probably should have got it in the medium considering how long it is. Next up, I have an actual like summer outfit. Now this is for whenever you're like going on a date or going to eat with your friends or something of the sort. You know what I'm saying? So for this first outfit, I have on this vintage Gap jacket, a muscle tee, these Levi's that I picked up from Unsound whenever I went to LA, and my Louis Vuitton trainers. Overall, I think this is a pretty solid fit, but I would prefer to wear like a nice boot instead of the shoes. And for the jacket to fit a little better, I'm actually trying to get rid of the jacket, so y'all go tune into the shop. Man, that jacket is just hard. I just wish it fit me better. I think my main point is that you can like go do shit in this outfit and it won't look too casual, you know? And lastly, for my summer outfits, is more like a uniform type look. I tapped into my inner Unsound with this one. I'm wearing a vintage tee, some gray Levi's, and my undercover Converse high 70s, whatever is the right way to say that. Now, this fit is actually really comfortable, even though it's like 1,000,000 degrees out here. I'm never really too hot in this outfit, and I actually wear this a lot. Well, I wear an outfit similar to this a lot, probably like 3 or 4 times out the week. It just looks clean, or at least I look clean. You know, I think I look clean in this. Shout out to Unsound though, man. Let's get into these pickups. The pickups. Hey, give a like on the video too. That way I can give me a bigger blanket. Okay, so while I was in LA, not only did I go to the Unsound showroom, I also went to the Rose Bowl. and that flea market is big as fuck. Oh, so for this first shirt, I found this vintage Half Evil tee. Obviously not made by the brand Half Evil, but probably something they drew inspiration from. Next up, I think this tee's from the 80s. It says, if you don't like my attitude, quit talking to me. It's marked in XL, but it's really short and very boxy. I don't know. I really like shirts like this, and this is probably my favorite pickup out the entire trip. And the last shirt that I'm going to show you guys from the Rose Bowl is actually something that probably wasn't the smartest purchase. Yeah, this shirt's pretty wild, but the real reason why I got it is because like it's a Hanes beefy tee, not only because of the text of the shirt. And as I've been acquiring more beefy tees, I really just like the fit of these shirts. Next up, we have these pickups from Unsound. I showed you guys the pants. Now for these tees. This first pickup is this tee that says, "Don't piss me off, I'm running out of places to hide the bodies." Now, whenever I seen this on their Instagram page, I already knew I had to cop it. It was sitting for a long time, so whenever I actually seen it, I had to pick it up. I really like this shirt. Next up is actually one of the favorites that I copped. It says, "I'm fat, but you're ugly, and I can diet." 10 out of 10 tee. I'm not a big homie, but I mean, I want to wear it and support all the big homies. Shout out to all the big homies out there. And last but not least, I only copped this tee for Nicki Minaj. But no, it says, "Beam me up, Scotty. There's no intelligent life down here." I don't think I'll be able to fit this, but I just thought this text was really funny. There's only 3 shirts and some pants, but I mean, it was kind of cool. Oh, so before we dipped, they hooked me up with the soap, the Silver League charcoal soap. Bro, this shit smells so good. Big ass block, but yeah. Shout out to Silver League, man. Shout out to the whole Unsound team. So next up is this No Maintenance trucker hat. Now I hit up the No Maintenance guys to go look at their showroom, but they were still getting things like in order and still getting things ready. Next time I'm out there, definitely pulling up to the showroom. So No Maintenance, if any of y'all are watching this video, respond to that DM. So next up, I got this James Rebel dad hat. It has like the signature I-10 crest. On this side, we have the JR, and on this other side, we have Risk It All. Y'all go shop James Rebel, bro. I'm gonna link it in the description. Once again, big shout out to Bruno. And next up, it has the 10 Commandments on it, bro. And this beautiful blue shirt. Moving on to the last pickup. Codon had a pop-up. It was Codon and Marcos Alvarado, who is the leading designer at MBM Gallery. They collabed on this shirt. I thought it was pretty hard. Had to pick it up. So yeah, big shout out to Codon. Big shout out to Lonely. That show was crazy. So I could tell you guys what I've been on these past couple of months and why I haven't made a video, but since I've used a lot of time, I think I'm gonna just mention that or talk about that in another video. So I think that's about it for all the pickups. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed all the way to the end, make sure to give the video a like if you liked it. If not, dislike it. Tell your partners all about it. Tell your girl. Tell her come watch your boy. That's wild. I don't know if I'm gonna put that in the video or not. Also, if you haven't already, be sure to follow my shop's Instagram page. Yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a great rest of the summer. Until next time. I've been stuck on the road for a long time, and I finally did it. I'm going home. I gotta go get it. I might do some more. I'm smoking Superman. Whenever I was in the office, while I was shopping, I'm like side-eyeing everybody, just trying to see like them work, really in there doing that shit, like taking pictures of the clothes, making sure they look good, like ironing them. It was just really cool to see. It's kind of crazy how much hate they get, like in the comments. I don't understand. These people be talking crazy on the internet, but I just was trying to like admire the work since I was there, and since I've kind of been following them for a little minute now. Low-key fangirling, but anyways, Jaren walks in the office. I look at my girlfriend. I'm like, that's the dude that just had a collection like come out like maybe a couple weeks ago. I was thinking of Reese Cooper, so I'm checking out or whatever. I'm talking to Fernando, and I was like, say, that's the dude that just had a show like the other day, huh? Fernando was like, what you mean? I'm like, yeah, that was the dude that just had a show, like y'all was all in that bitch, like I'll be watching y'all, bro. I know I'm not tripping. I ain't really say that though. He was like, nah, I think you talking about the wrong person. And then Jaren looks up and he's like, oh, what up? I was like, oh, I'm tripping. That's not even the dude. Then this man Fernando goes on to say, "Hey, but he's cute though, huh?" Can't not be gay in the Unsound office. Why you treating me wrong? You don't text me back and you don't call my phone. I don't know what's wrong with me, little bitch. I get money, I hit you back when I don't count.